Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Lorraine Marshall Online and my website makemoneyonline-niches.com, which you can find a link in the description below this video. Now today I am going to do a review of a product called Pinnakle, and Pinnakle is basically an automated traffic source which is utilizing videos, and it is using TikTok as well. Now this product is brought to you by Mosh Barry, and he has been around in the online marketing space for around 9 years. Now I have got access to the members dashboard, and so what I want to do is later in the video I can take you there, show you what the product is all about. But first of all, what I want to do is show you the sales page and then take you over to my bonus page, where I can show you a little bit more about the funnel and the prices, and also the bonuses that I have available for you free if you decide to pick up Pinnakle through my link, my bonus link, which will be in the description below this video. So first of all, let's go over and take a look at the sales page. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Pinnakle, and basically what this is, it's a traffic experiment that they've been working on, and now they've launched this product, which, like I say, is an automated training, and it's a software that brings you in some automated traffic, which is basically from using video. So you can arbitrage other people's videos, and you can get visitors to your links and your web pages. There's lots of traffic up for grabs. There's hardly any competition or saturation. There's a great organic reach and engagement, so you're not paying for traffic. It's really simple to get started. You don't need an email list. You don't need a website or social media following, and you can build a consistent business with this source of traffic. So this is Pinnakle. Like I say, it's going live in around 6 hours. As you can see, the timer here hasn't ended yet, and basically it is a very simple product to follow. Once you start in there, I can show you at the members dashboard a little bit later in the video. It's basically grab the content at the start, you get into this app, attach a special link, use your own or grab one from inside of the app, then you repost the recycled content and let the traffic source, the algorithm funnel, free traffic into your links. So that is basically how they see this product working. So let's now just take a look. I mean, this is Mosh Barry. He said when he was starting his online business 9 years ago, all he wanted to do was spend time with his daughter. But what he found was that he was spending a lot of time working on his business, and he wanted something that was going to help him have more time. Obviously, money is a great thing, but time is even better than money. So he needed to find a way, and he has succeeded in that. So this is the guy who's creating this, behind this product creation. So let's go have a look at the bonuses that I have available through my bonus page. We go over to this now, and this is my page. Like I say, it's a big traffic experiment, and Pinnakle is one of the first applications that is siphoning buyer traffic in 2021. Use other people's content. This is for marketing novices. So if you haven't mastered traffic yet and you were in the online space, maybe this is something that you need to take a look at and get in on Pinnakle when it launches later today. So the front end of the product is $19. There's a one-time upsell for $29, and another one upsell too, which is $39. you've got a one-time offer 3, $197, and number 4 is $39, and one-time offer number 5, $197. Now when you click through to my link on the description below this video, then you will be able to read up on all of the different levels and offers that are available. The description is on this on the video here. You can also watch this demo video which gives you more information about how Pinnakle works. So my bonuses. The first bonus I have, and all of these are from my mentor John Armstrong. The first bonus I have is the YouTube's ads, how to do YouTube ads correctly. The second bonus is behind the scenes of a 5-figure affiliate marketer. Now that obviously speaks for itself, but what a wonderful thing to find out about. And bonus number 3 is email marketing. Obviously this is, I've heard it all before thing. The money is in the list. It doesn't matter where your list is, whether that's on social media as an audience, in a group, on a Facebook page, you know, in your Twitter account, the money is in the list. So email marketing. And bonus number 4 is access to timeless traffic. Now that is another product by John Armstrong, but this is only available for the first 48 hours of this launch, so I would get in pretty quick if you're looking to get access to all of the bonuses. Okay, so any of these orange buttons on my page will take you through to the Pinnakle sales page where you can pick up the product. You will also receive all of the vendor bonuses even when you purchase through my link. So if you do decide to pick this product up, you will receive a receipt, and on this receipt there's a blue button at the bottom, and that is where you will access all of the affiliate bonuses. So that is my bonus page. Now we can take a look at the members area of Pinnakle, and that is here. Now this is the dashboard for Pinnakle, which is going to show your traffic and stats and what you've already done. But the first thing that you would need to do, you know, if you go to purchase the product, is that you need to connect your Google account, your Google app. So basically you follow the instructions here to set up connecting your Google account settings. Then the second step is to import your channels. So if you have a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel, then you can import them here. The third part here is the TikTok video maker, and you can search for certain videos where you can actually then use that particular video, edit it for your own purposes, and then remarket that video with your website link or whatever it is that you want to promote attached either at the front or at the end of this short video. And basically you can search for all sorts of different things which are on TikTok. So this is trending videos, then you've got popular videos, and you've got the latest videos, and you've got celeb videos, and then you can search by hashtags. So this is how you would search for different videos. And then you've got an area here for created videos, which once you've created all of your creations would be under this tab here. Then you've got this setting here, which is the hashtags that you can use. So you can like look up something in your niche area, and then find other hashtags that are useful that you can add to your video or to your marketing. Then you've got your channel manager, your template manager, and search engine, video channel and playlist. and then you've got a keyword finder where you go into the keyword finder, and what you do is you type in your keyword, and then it goes and searches for other keywords that are similar that you can actually use in your marketing. There's an auto reply feature here as well, and a rank tracking. And this here at the bottom, link wheel, is something unique. Basically what it is, it churns out your videos and links, rotates them. So that's the link wheel. Basically that's it. Pinnakle. There's the support desk and also the training here as well. So that is all of Pinnakle inside of the members dashboard. And like I say, the product is $19 and it is launching today, 3rd of September, in around 6 hours. So there you go. Now, if you like these videos, I will be putting more how-to videos onto my channel. So please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.